Well, we've been sitting here for about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. Thought we heard a bird way off. The wind's starting to pick up. You think we ought to sit here? Or you want to go down that fence line and get it? See if we get on it.
Sit here and see if we can hold you.
Sit here. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit that. The moonshiner. Listen again, Tip.
Let's go.
Right there.
Yeah.
I wasn't recording none of that. This way.
Yeah.
He's in the field.
Yeah.
Don't move my thing. Don't move. Coming up to the nickel. See? Coming up to it. Hold on. See now? Huh? No. Look to your right, dude. It's 40 yards. Full stroke.
The trees in my way.
Same now.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on.
Can we try to shoot him?
No, not yet.
Oh, no, almost had the decoy.
Hold on. I can't see my camera. Hey, what brought that car? The moonshiner. Fired him up, boys. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Come in like a perfect.
Yeah.
Buddy, that's awesome.
Yes, it was.
Come get it.
Look here. Barely a two. Look at that. That's the ones I like, brother. That's the ones I like.
Yeah, boy. God, that was an awesome hunt. This dude, he was way over it, buddy. And we, when we first got here, they was, I'm 4 or 5 over there.
Yeah.
Had a bunch of jakes come in. Gobbler here in this field. And the face. Go ahead. Man, I'm telling you, dude, that was sick.
That was a heck of a hunt.
Gosh. These are the birds that I like the most. He come in from a long way, and he got one every time at that moonshiner, just cutting through this wind.
Yeah.
That's what fired him. We sitting here mouth calling, nothing. Pulled out that moonshiner.
And gobble.
He got one that came straight to the call. My gun has killed more turkeys this year.
Yeah.